Don't say that on camera. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Mural Dreams by Laura. I'm Laura, and in this video we're gonna take a look at 3 of the most popular types of pouring mediums for acrylic pouring, aka flow art. Coming. I can do this on my own. Okay.
Here you see her layering the paint that is mixed with the Liquitex pouring medium. It is mixed to a ratio of 1 part paint and 2 to 3 parts pouring medium. I think she's liking this.
I like this.
So this is called the straight pour. You layer the paints in a cup all through the same place, and then you pour them also through the same spout, straight onto the canvas. We recreated the same pour for each one of the pouring mediums.
Okay, next one. Life difficulties.
Here you see her layering the paints for the glue version, and the base coat for this one is slightly green, but it shouldn't matter in the least. Here comes a very important part of the video right now.
Waffles are just good. Hit the like button if you like waffles as well. And if you don't like waffles, I don't care. Hit it as well. Just hit the like button and subscribe, because why not? Moving on. Smear some paint. Mom, come back. I wanted to tell you something. Mother has left. Okay.
Here you see her pouring the cup with the glue mixture straight onto the canvas. And I think she has found her favorite.
Ooh, I like this one better. This one is immediately better than the last one. I like this. What? That's it. Oh, the boost.
I believe it's finally my turn. I'm pouring the Floetrol here. You see me doing it in fast forward version, and then you'll see me doing it in slower version, or as they call it, real time. Just so you can see how satisfying it is to watch the natural flow of paint with all those lines and textures and layers of paint. It's quite mesmerizing to watch, and calming and soothing, I think. I mean, that's why we do it, and that's why you're watching right now. The torching to pop all those little air bubbles, and then the tilting. Perhaps I was a little too obsessively compulsively neat, unlike Bongo Kitten. I should have kept it more real.
I think I know which one I like the best. Which one do you like the best? That one's my favorite because it's the most bubbly, but...
It is very bubbly. Wowza. Very bubbly.
Do you want to know why? Because when you make...
glue.
Yeah, and when you make slime, like, there's going to be a lot of bubbles when you first play with it. And, like, that. Logic.
Okay, from the top, what are our conclusions for today? For the Liquitex pouring medium, the Liquitex gave it a beautiful shiny texture to the paint. The paint maintained its layers, and it even created some cells. That's probably from the stirring, because stirring makes all the air bubbles. All in all, I always love Liquitex pouring medium. After all, it is professional. The only con I can find with it is the price tag. Secondly, the glue. Well, the glue certainly made a lot of pretty little textures and bubbles, and it was obviously Bongo Kitten's favorite. I think this would lend itself very well to a cosmic scene for all the little stars and the space rocks. It also has a shine to it. All those air pockets that popped when we torched it left some texture on the canvas. So if you're after that kind of thing, go for it. Another pro for this Elmer's glue is the price tag. Pretty affordable, it's very available to find. And lastly, my favorite is the Floetrol. So the Floetrol has the mattest finish of them all. Even this is much shinier than usually. The paint that I used is a new paint that I'm experimenting with, is the Arteza paint, and it's much shinier than the regular paint that I'm used to. Beautiful finish, nice texture, it dried perfectly and beautifully, it maintained all its ring structures. Just a beautiful result. Minimal cells, because we weren't going for that effect. In conclusion, Liquitex and the Floetrol have the most similar effects. The glue has more texture and more bubbles. My personal favorite, I've been working with Floetrol for the longest time. It's so economical, it's so available to find, and when you're experimenting and just learning, this is the way to go, I think. I don't mind glue, it's not my favorite. Make your own decision, whatever your favorite is. Experiment around. Don't leave quite yet. Stay for the bloopers. They're worth it.
What's in there or a bubble? Let's ruin it even more.
Hit the like buffet. Just got more bait. Mustard. Yeah, I don't care. Delicious. Why wouldn't people like humor? Yeah, right? Don't say that on camera.
And trust the flow, my friend. Mwah.